Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to discuss with you all about cardiomyopathy. Name itself, cardio. Cardio means what? We all know that it's a heart. Myo means muscle. Cardiomyopathy disease. It is a heart muscular disease, that is cardiomyopathy. Means heart main function is what? It will supply blood to all parts of the body, right? All our organs and body parts will function normally. So if there is a heart muscle disease, then what will happen? That supply to the blood supply to all parts of the body will decrease, and also sometimes blood flow will not go smoothly. Then when this happen, when there is a dysfunction happen, then this disease will occur, that is cardiomyopathy. Because of cardiomyopathy, what will happen? Sometimes heart failure happens. When heart failure happen, there is death. So cardiomyopathy means heart muscle is unable to pump the blood to the various parts of the body. Because of that, what will happen? Heart failure sometime, heart will not function properly, abnormal rhythms, all these problems will get because of cardiomyopathy disease. And in rare condition, death also, in very serious condition, death also might occur. Now let's see symptoms of the heart disease, cardiomyopathy. Symptoms of cardiomyopathy are breathlessness, breathing problem. Obviously, if the heart will not function properly, the major symptom is breathlessness, unable to breathe properly because of the blood flow decreased to heart, unable to breathe properly. So breathing problem will happen. Another symptom is cough. Breathing problem, cough, chest pain. Okay, chest pain. There will be abnormal heartbeats because of not functioning properly. Heart will beat abnormally. And swelling in the legs and ankle. Why swelling in the legs and ankle? Because when blood flow is decreased, then heart is not able to pump sufficient blood to all parts of the body. When there is poor supply of blood to all parts of the body, obviously legs, ankle, everything will swell. Swelling. Next, bloating, abdomen bloating. Same, if there is no supply of proper supply of blood, then also abdomen means stomach muscles. Also, there will be some kind of bloating. It's like a gastritis like. Another symptom is chest discomfort. Means there is kind of some discomfort in the chest and fainting, some giddiness feeling, cough and also cough. Continuous cough when lying down position, there will be cough. So these are the basic symptoms of cardiomyopathy. What are the basic symptoms of cardiomyopathy? Breathlessness, swelling in the legs and ankle, bloating abdomen, abnormal heartbeat, chest discomfort, fainting, cough when lying down position. These are the basic symptoms that if anyone notice this kind of symptoms, immediately go to the hospital. What are the causes of the cardiomyopathy? If there is high blood pressure, if the pressure of the heart increases and the blood flow increases also, this kind of muscular problem also occur. And also tissue damage. If there is heart tissue damage, there is a rupture of the heart, and if the rupture of the heart tissue damage, then also this cardiomyopathy might happen. Heart valve problems. If there are valves, tricuspid valve, bicuspid valve in the heart, if there is closure and opening and some kind of problem in the heart valve also, this myopathy might occur. Another causes also pregnancy complications. Because of pregnancy also might complications occur. And also iron, if excess of iron will build up, how much is the iron is sufficient for the body, that much only should be there. If there is excess of iron build up also, then this heart muscular disease might occur. Abnormal proteins, Suppose there are some proteins. How much proteins present in the body, that much only should be there. If there are too much excess of abnormal proteins present in the body and some kind of lumps develop, which will cause restriction to blood flow to the heart. Also this cardiomyopathy occur. Thinking of excess of alcohol. Alcohol also block the blood flow to the heart, and also some drugs, some medications. All this will lead to cardiomyopathy. And also many diseases also might lead to cardiopathy, maybe because of diabetes. Main problem is running, that is diabetes, thyroid, all this some kind of another diseases which might lead to cardiomyopathy also. In another video, I will be telling you about how to avoid these heart diseases through diet, exercise and all. So if you like my video, please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching guys.